I just want to close this lesson with kind of a final thoughts thing. And that I told you in the intro video, we're going to go over honestly more detail than we need long term. What I need you to be able to know after leaving this lesson is the general shape of these. So if you see a U-shaped graph, you need to know that that's an x squared. If you see something that looks like this, that's all bendy, and again, it can be more dramatic, then you need to know that that's an x cubed. If you see what I call as our eyebrow function, where you can see it start somewhere and then keep going, that is your square root. If you see this more S bendy going more side to side versus up and down, then that's your cubic root function. If you see with your two kind of sides being opposite of each other, that's your reciprocal function. And then lastly, if you see a V-shaped graph, we need to know that that means absolute value. So we went into a lot of detail to kind of graph these nicely. Domain and range, your homework's going to ask for those, so I wanted to go through those with you. But what you need to know is that general shape, that if you see the V, you know, that's absolute value, or vice versa, and you have an absolute value function, you need to know that that makes a V. So you need to be able to identify, is it an x squared, an x cubed, a square root, a reciprocal, a cubic root, or an absolute value?